Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Caitlin. If you're new, I'm starting the first week of Vlogmas this week. I'm going to be doing weekly vlogs for the holiday season, and today we're going to pick out a real Christmas tree. It is a tradition in our family, and I showed this last year, so I'm really excited. It's a super nice day. It's like 50 degrees. And yeah, we're gonna do that today, and then I'm gonna take you guys along through my work week and do some more fun Christmassy things, Christmas recipes, exploring different places in Pittsburgh. So I hope if this interests you, you guys will keep watching, give this video a thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe. Today's outfit of the day, forgive the ironing board, is this red chenille sweater from Target, a black t-shirt from White House Black Market, black gold navy leggings, and then these Christmas socks that have reindeer on them. We are here, we are walking to get the trees. It is very, very warm out, and I love it.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean, yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. Alright, now this Christmas we're gonna dance.
It's about 5:13 now. I came home, ate some dinner, had some chicken and rice, and then I did a little bit of cleaning, and now I'm just waiting for my dad to put the lights on the tree, and then I'm gonna decorate the ornaments this year because I like doing that and I volunteered to do it, so I think that'll be fun. And I have my poorly painted Merry Christmas sign that I made a few years ago with, I think it was actually during college I made that, but I still have it around and hung it up, even though the tree is rather lopsided. But it's like pitch black out right now, and it feels like it should be like 11 o'clock at night. Anyone else like still not used to the weird time difference? I don't know.
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all, from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me you're missing. I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew.
So this is my breakfast on 2 separate plates here. Rice cakes, peanut butter, everything but the bagel seasoning. This combination is amazing. You have to try it. And then scrambled eggs. I do like my eggs really well done. I like them browned. There is some pepper on this. That's just like how I like my eggs. I know I'm kind of weird. I don't put milk or butter or anything in them, just a little bit of water. So that's kind of why they look like this. So it is Monday, it's about 3 o'clock. I worked out today. I ran 3.25 miles, had a really good workout, felt really well rested. I took off work today because I have a bunch of vacation days, so kind of wanted to extend Thanksgiving break. And I went to Starbucks because it was Cyber Monday. They had a promotion. If you ordered ahead through the app, you got a free drink. However, my Starbucks, the order ahead was like down and they only had the drive-through open, but you still couldn't order ahead. And I was like, that's really fishy. Like, I can see closing the inside of the store because of COVID, but typically you can order ahead through the drive-through, like at any restaurant. So I thought that was fishy, and I said to them, I said, is there any way I can like still do the Cyber Monday promotion? And so they wrote down my name, and I guess they'll call me, but like, what the heck, I want a free drink. This was like $5, so you know. But anyway, this was really good. I just got a grande iced coffee, light cream, vanilla cold foam, and 2 pumps of peppermint, and it is so freaking good. Like, this combination is not too sweet and has a little bit of Christmas. You just feel so festive. So I'm loving this. I'm going to have some dinner and then actually head to the mall because I have a couple returns from some online shopping that I did. Just need to return a few things. They're actually gifts. So that's why I'm headed out to the mall tonight. Definitely been trying to avoid the mall, but you know, what can you do with stuff like this? So that's kind of how my day's been. I hope you guys are having a lovely week. Happy Tuesday. It's lunchtime, and during lunch I try to do productive things if I have time. So today I'm doing some laundry, gonna fold these towels. I have another load in right now. It's about 11:30 and we woke up to some insane snow. As you guys can see, it is a winter wonderland out there. I would say it snowed like at least 2 inches maybe. But it's kind of getting to be that rain snow mix, so it's getting a little bit more melted right now. Got the Christmas socks on. And it is the first day of December and everyone's Vlogmases are starting today, so I'm super excited to watch some. Comment down below ones that are good that I should watch. One of my favorites that I've been watching for years is Alex and Michael. Alex Garza, she has a main channel and then she has a vlog channel with her husband, and they're just so funny. Their vlogs just put me in a good mood. She shares like the right amount of like lifestyle and beauty products while also like going out and doing things. So I love her channel. I'm a relatively new subscriber to Julie and Hunter, but I've been really enjoying their vlogs, so I'm definitely gonna watch their Vlogmas. Love Brooke Michio. I've been watching her for like a year, so definitely gonna watch hers as well. If you're a small YouTuber and you're doing Vlogmas, let me know. I would also love to support your channel. So I might take a ride to Dunkin' for coffee number 2 of the day. I only slept like 5 hours and 13 minutes because I just could not fall asleep. That always happens to me, like on the day back from a long break or something. It's always really, really hard for me to fall asleep, and I need to change this calendar right here. So yeah, probably gonna be a 2 coffee type of day. And yesterday I did go to the mall and make those returns. I got some soaps at Bath and Body Works, so that was fun. The mall like was kind of crowded, but it wasn't like Christmas crowded like how it normally is, so I think it was pretty safe. And I didn't vlog any of that because I was kind of in a rush because we had this winter weather advisory, so I didn't want to like stay out too late or anything. But that's just kind of how my Tuesday is going. Pretty slow day, and I kind of expect this whole month to be pretty slow work-wise. Look at that snow! I decided to come to Dunkin', and of course, I got an iced coffee, because that's what I do. I drink iced coffee even when it's snowing outside. I think it's time to change this out, maybe? So I wanted to share with you guys a couple unboxings, the first of many Black Friday hauls that you will be seeing. But first I'm going to show you the soaps that I picked up yesterday at Bath and Body Works. I got crushed candy cane. I thought this packaging was so cute, and I'm pretty sure this smells just kind of like a candy cane like you would expect. I got Marshmallow Fireside, which is definitely a classic. I got 'Tis the Season. This smells so festive. It says the notes are red apple, ground cinnamon, and clove. Fresh Balsam. I love this in the candle form. I didn't even realize they had it in soaps. It smells just like a forest of Christmas trees. I got Sparkling Icicles. The notes here are sparkling citrus, golden sandalwood, and bergamot. I thought this would be kind of different. Sorry, my tripod is like broken. I know this is tilted bad. And then I got Vanilla Bean Noel, which is just a really, sweet classic vanilla scent. I also purchased one item from Sephora's Black Friday sale. In all honesty, I just purchased this to become a VIB Rouge member because I was like, I think $10 away from becoming one for this year. And I figured like it's worth it because of how much crap I get from Sephora. And I was interested in this product and trying it out. So I got the Beauty Blender Bounce Airbrush Liquid Whip Concealer, and it's made with hyaluronic acid. I got it in light fair, so it's going to be a more hydrating concealer for the winter. And this was $13. I think it was like half off, so that was a really good deal. Hopefully I like it. And then of course, some of the samples that I got were this Herborian Korean Skin Therapy CC Cream. I definitely did not pick this out. I don't remember ever seeing that brand before. And then the Autocorrect Brightening and Depuffing Eye Contour Cream from Sunday Riley. Oh wait, here's my receipt right here. Let's see if it says the samples that I picked. No, it does not. I don't think I picked this either. They probably were out of samples with it being Black Friday. So yeah, that's just my little haul. It's about 12:30 now, so I'm gonna go ahead and get back to work. Today's a really exciting day. It's Wednesday and I'm at the Starbucks drive-thru. It's really exciting. Let me turn down my heat a little bit. It's really exciting because my boyfriend matched into his fellowship program here in Pittsburgh, and that means he's gonna be around for 2 more years. And it's his lifelong dream to be a rheumatologist, so he matched into the program. It's very, very competitive, and he he's gonna be here, so I'm really excited about that. He's working like a 12-hour shift today, so I'm not gonna see him, but I'm gonna get some Starbucks and celebrate for him. But every day is a good day to celebrate. It's still like really cold out and there's tons of snow. If my life was a movie of snapshots of me at the Starbucks drive-thru, it probably would be like a full picture of my life or something. But I'm gonna go because someone is pulling up behind me and I don't want them to think that I'm weird or judge me. I got my Starbucks. I got a grande iced coffee, vanilla sweet cream cold foam, 2 pumps of peppermint, and light cream, and this is delicious. This is like Christmas in a cup. So good. I didn't really have any meetings today, just some like miscellaneous work, and then I'm still working on preparing an audit report. I thought that I would share what I got from Ulta. I also got this on Black Friday. I'm really excited about this. I also got a Hot Tools like hot brush that's kind of like a blow dryer and a volumizing brush in one. So I'm probably gonna do a tutorial on that. Let me know if you would be interested. Okay, wow, they gave me a lot of random plastic. So I got this Kiehl's Creamy Eye Treatment with avocado and it was half off. I believe the retail price is $50 and I got it for $25. So insanely good deal. I'm not actually going to open it because I'm still working on using up my Mario Badescu under eye cream. So I want to keep this fresh. This is pretty sizable, I would say, for an eye cream. I'm almost done with the Mario Badescu one, so that's why I wanted to pick this up. I also heard that Mario Badescu doesn't have the greatest ingredients, so I think I'm going to probably stay away from that brand. And then I got the Urban Decay Perversion Mascara. It was on sale for $10. I actually think I'm going to give this to my mom for Christmas. I'm going to give her this tote bag that I bought her from Amazon and a bunch of makeup products, so I'm going to throw this in there. I do really like this mascara. Yeah, and so that's all that I got from Ulta. Last night I pulled out my iPad and I started reading The Girl on the Train. I believe it's by Paula Hawkins. It's so good. I can tell it's going to be a quick read. It's told from 2 different perspectives, and the characters are just really interesting, and I'm super excited because I haven't read a whole lot of like really great books this year, so hopefully I can read that over these next few weeks. But I'm gonna go ahead and get back to work. I'm working from my bed today. I kind of switch it up. I work at my desk and at my bed and just kind of whatever feels comfy to me. I always actually studied on my bed in college, like with it made. I don't like get in my bed, I just sit on it. And I mean, I was just as productive. I graduated very high in the top of my class, so I don't understand why sometimes on YouTube people are like, if you work on your bed, you're gonna be so unproductive, you're not gonna do anything. I just think that's kind of ridiculous. Like, if you're working for long periods of time, it's good to kind of switch up where you are, and sometimes it's nice to be comfy. So those are my thoughts this Wednesday afternoon. So it's Friday afternoon and I'm working on finishing up a few things for the week. I think I'm gonna end my Vlogmas right here, so be sure to give this a thumbs up if you liked it, and be sure to stay tuned for next week. We have some really fun Christmas activities planned that I think you guys will really enjoy. So once again, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!